Welcome to the end. This is the wig. I love it. I just wanted to give you some final details and things like that so that you know you have your takeaways. This is a 13 by 4 human hair, 150% density Brazilian wig. It's supposed, what it says, Brazilian straight bob. Yeah, I've had this wig since December. That was my initial, like, taking it out the pack, trying it on, gluing it down, everything. I did not pluck. I'm not there yet, okay? I'm not there yet. So I didn't pluck anything, but honestly, I'm cool with it. I'm terrified of over plucking or just like doing it wrong in general. So yeah, but yeah, I think she's great. Okay, for an everyday wig, the bitch gets it done. The hair should look good. Okay, I absolutely love, what's going on with the lighting? I absolutely love this wig. Like, love it. Okay, super easy to put on. I don't even have it glued on right now, but she looks good. She's got great parting space. Okay, and yeah, it was super easy to put together, even for me, a beginner. I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but I did it. She holds a nice curl, you know, if you wanted to. I tried to do it straight, but I don't feel like this looks good on my head straight, you know, so I had to do a little something. I didn't bleach the knots. I didn't do none of that. Like I said, I am a beginner. I know nothing. Anyway, I love her. I give her 5 out of 5 stars. Love her. I just love this. That's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.